Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can undo and redo on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and first of all I'm going to add this video to my timeline. Let's say I want to edit this video, and I'm going to show you how we can undo and redo on the CapCut PC. Okay, for instance, I'm going to split my video. So I'm going to click on my video and I'm going to click on the split button. Okay, like this, and then we can undo the editing if we want to get back the previous version. If you want to undo, you just need to click on this icon guys right here on the section. Just click on undo and you will get back your previous version of your editing. And if you want to redo, you just need to click on this icon like this. Okay, and my video has been splitted right now according to the previous version before I undo it. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to go to this section and you will be able to undo or redo. Okay guys, and that's all the way to undo and redo on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.